How to get $100 Lululemon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Lululemon promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Lululemon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. 40% off, 25% off. Just scroll and check. 30% off and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code, copy it. Then click on redeem at Lululemon. You will be directed to the official website of Lululemon. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this page you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Lululemon. This way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Lululemon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.